Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about the 5 mistakes to avoid while designing a bathroom. 1. Bathroom planning. While planning, the bathroom has to be divided into 2 zones, that is, dry zone and wet zone. The wet zone is a place where most of the water-based activity takes place and the floor may get wet due to shower and bathtub. The dry zone is more commonly used area of bathroom containing the toilet and wash basin. As this area of the room is often used by the family, it is important to keep it dry. 2. Improper ventilation. If the bathroom does not have adequate ventilation, it creates unpleasant smell. It also gets very humid. This humidity trapped in a small space like a bathroom will eventually begin to rust metal like the hinges on the doors and cabinets. It can also cause mold and mildew problems, so it is necessary to have proper ventilation in the bathroom. Natural lighting and good ventilation will solve the problem of mildew and moisture. Exhaust fan can also be mounted on the wall when there is no window. 3. No space for door. When designing a bathroom, make sure that there is enough space to open the door. It is a common mistake to install a door and it hits the wash basin cabinet while opening. In a small bathroom, try to use sliding door. Leave proper space for door to swing unobstructed. 4. Flooring. Always use slip-resistant tile for bathroom floor. Glossy tiles and polished stones are slippery that may cause serious accidents. Shiny and glossy tiles is fine for the wall but not for the floor. Efficient toilet fixtures. If your bathroom does not have efficient toilets and water-saving faucets, you are flushing water down the drain with every trip to bathroom. It is important to have dual flush toilets which can save more water. Another option to save water is to put an aerator on the faucet which can save water and money. So that's all for this video. This is Arpita signing off. Thank you so much for watching.